Okay, welcome back to class. Today we're going to be talking about CSS list. We're going to be create a list tag in HTML. So we have it in this class. So we have L1. We're going to be creating a list tag. Let's put this one as 1. Also, let's move to the next one. We have L2. Okay. Okay, let's just repeat this, since it's just one main tab. Double shift alternate down, so we have an idea of what I am seeing. Let's say this is 5, this is 4, this is 3, this is 2, and this is 1. Okay, so let's see what it would give us on the page. Refresh 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, since we have it as this, let's put your tag. Let's refresh. Okay, shift it forward. Okay, sorry, list cap lock is on. Okay, li list, not L1 please. Li should give me what I am looking for. Li list, save. Let's see, refresh. Beautiful. Now this is what I am looking for. This is what I am looking for. Then I can specify a class for all. Since I am even fixed it up in the div function, so I can specify a class for all. Let's say class. Remember, I can put anything. So let's say my underscore list. I can put my list or anything at all. I just had to name it what I want. My list. So let's refresh. You see no effect on it. Yes, but it's embedded already. So we go to the style sheet. Then we put my underscore list. Then we fix this. Yes, this is where we have my list. Then I can decide to say, okay, let's beautify the list we have. Let's say list style. We have list style type, list style type, list style position, list style image, list style type. Let's start with this first. Now you see that all bullet points changes. Now I can put circle, I can put decimal, I can put decimal leading 0, disk, and all of this. Now let's just put, I can also put square. Okay, let's just put square first and let's see what it would give us. I have saved. I'm coming. I refresh. Now. Can you see? Okay, let me see. Okay. Refresh again. Okay. Let's put list style. Let's put circle and let us see the difference first. Circle, save. Okay, so let me see where I'm supposed to include it for proper effect. Class list in the div class. Okay, how about if I remove this? Does it have any effect on it? I don't think so. See, Okay, beautiful. My list. Let's put, we can have a circle. Let's say we have I can also include it as, let's say, square. Square. This pops up. Square. Can you see it? Yes. So that's how it works. I can also choose to remove it. I can choose to remove it. I can decide to remove, and I put none. Once I insert none, therein, doesn't have any effect again. You will see it that there is nothing there. Yes, none. So I can decide to do that too through my style sheet. Then I can also add image to it. I can add image to it. Let's see, list style image. Yes, then you go and pick your URL. You pick your URL, then you insert your image. Remember, I have an image. I put my quotation HBD, but trust me, the size of this guy is large. So, but let's still see what it would give us. I have saved. Yes, refresh. Beautiful. Now look at it. Look at the image. It's like so large. The image is so large. Yes, the image is so large. So I can go back to my text. I can go back to my text and reduce if I want to, but since I am not interested in including the image, so I can just joyfully remove it from it so that I can have what I was having on before. Refresh the page. Now you see it's back to normal. Then I can put maybe my square or my circle. Square or my circle. Let's save my page. I refresh this. I have this, and I have yes. So let's see how we can work on the background. Let's see how we can work on the background. Yes, remember we have something. Let's see how we can work on the background. Yes, okay. Go back to this point. Now I am done with this aspect. Let me close this off. So I can work with this background, this aspect of apps. Let's see how I can work with this aspect of apps. The div class and all, it's still intact. So let's go to my style sheet and let me change it to apps. That is dot apps. Yes, I have the dot apps. Save, okay. Then I can come here to see background image. Background image, I can put linear gradient or something. Look at it. Linear gradient. I can put linear gradient to right, sky blue, yellow. I can put specific colors there. Look at the linear gradient. I can put to right, let's say to the right. I can include maybe specific color. Let's say sky, let's say green, let's say green or something. Let's just leave it at this and let's see what it would give us. I have saved. Let's refresh this. Oops, where am I? Okay. 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 Let's see. Okay, it's supposed to affect everything here. Okay, let's still see. Right, let's see. Let's say top. Let's see what it will give us. Okay, I don't know why it's not having an effect on it. There is something I'm supposed to do first. Okay, background image. Okay, let me see. Let's use radial first. Probably there's something I'm supposed to. It's radial gradient, circle, yellow, blue, then the closing tab, then this. Let's see what it would give us. Beautiful. So this is what I was trying to derive. So background image linear. It must be with at least two colors. So let's look at linear once again. Linear gradient circle. Let's see. Let's refresh. Okay, let me put to the right. Says let's see, right? Let's save this. Okay, so let's put to right. Okay, so from one point to the right, so the color moves as such. So I can change it to right to top, yellow, blue to top. Refresh, yellow, blue to top. That's how it is. I can also put to bottom, yellow, blue to bottom. Refresh. That is how it is. So the first color comes first. So if I had said, let's say red. The first color comes first. Yes, that's how it works. So also we can I can still transform this. I can transform. Let's say transform. I can rotate. Let's say 30 degrees. 30 DEG means degrees. Let's see what effect it would give us. Can you see? I can transform it 30 degrees. I can transform it even without a precise degree. Let's say 10 degrees. Let's see transform 10 degrees. Yes, can you see it? I can transform 10 degrees. Then I can also skew. I have transformed 10 degrees. Let's say transform. In place of rotate, I can just, in place of this transform as a whole, I can just skew. Transform. Skew. I can skew on normal, or I skew on X, or I skew on Y. Let's say I want to skew it at 30 degrees. So you see the effect of what I'm saying. Then I close this off. Skew. Refresh this. Can you see skewing 30 degrees? Yes, just like tilting. Let's say 10 degrees skewing. 10 degrees skewing. I'm skewing as this. Exactly. So that is how you have it. And I can skew on Y. So if I want to skew on Y, what I just need to do is to say skew Y. Skew Y. So it's going to skew towards the Y axis. Can you see it? If it was X axis, it would have gone down, or gone to the right or to the left, depending on which of the degrees. I can also add transition. Transition. Yes, look at the transition, origin, property, duration, delay, style, box, and so on and so forth. So let's say transition, and I have let's say width, let's say 90%. Transition width 90%. Let me put this. Okay, it's looking good. Transition width, let's say 90%. Let's refresh. Okay, let me remove the skewness first so I can have overview of what I am doing. Save, refresh. Okay, so that's how it works. Let me remove this. Okay, refresh. Now let's see. Okay, so this is what we have for this CSS. There are lots of things which you can do as far as your CSS is concerned. You can beautify this now. I'm using red. You can use so many colors. Let's see, cyan. I think there is a color cyan, and okay, so let's see cyan and blue. Let's see cyan and blue. Save, then I refresh. Now can you see, wow, this is looking beautiful. This is looking beautiful. Then I can do all other things on it. I can work on my text. I can work on the border. I can include border to it, and so on and so forth. So we're going to continue from here in our next class. See you next class.